Today is August 8th, 2014, back with the stocks to trade watch list for today. Another one of those. The good news is it's beautiful and sunny out. Bad news is just not much on scan. I think most people who watch this know, my core strategy, if there is one, is just short selling stocks that are up big. Well, if you look at the screens from yesterday, there was like nothing, nothing up big yesterday. So that kind of leans things out, and a lot of these plays, I think 3 out of the 4 I have are earnings plays from a few days ago, which isn't the best idea to short, but charts look okay. First one is HTCH. I lost money on this the other day trying to short back in here. Yesterday, it would have been, excuse me, kind of had that spike early, and then it came back and then ground up. I thought about reshorting into this, which in hindsight, kind of glad I didn't, because it just grinds and grinds back up. Now, right at the close, it tipped over and kind of looks like it wants to drop. Now, again, it's an earnings winner from a few days ago. There's support back here. I don't know. I'm going to try and avoid playing it. I do like the looks of the chart. It would be nice if it was a piece of shit in a carcass where it's pretty much a real company. Their earnings weren't blowout, but they actually have earnings, so I'm going to try and avoid it. The chart looks good. GTAT, I've made some money on this the last few days, but the nice thing about it is it has the volatility, it has the moves, but look at this thing, up, down, tough to predict. I did short it at right above 15, and then had to leave yesterday about 11, and then of course, the way it goes, let's see, noon, it kind of cracks 15 and then fades all the way down to 1460s. Of course, right after I left, I probably would have, there was no real reason to get out of this other than the fact that I had to leave. Now you would have had to be quick because then it shoots back up at the close. So, I don't know. Again, I'll try to avoid playing it, but we'll see. PLNR, same thing. They had really good earnings. I think they make LCDs or something. They're a good business. So, but it's kind of running out of steam. So I'll watch this, but repeating myself, same type thing. ISR, this isn't the same one, but again, probably not a great play. The only thing nice about ISR is it tends to spike and fade. I shorted this yesterday. The spike, I kind of missed the big spike. I think it already started coming back. Adam Feuerstein, I think that's how you pronounce it, Adam F. He's does a lot of hit pieces on these biotechs. He came out with a tweet. I thought it would drop a little quicker. I got like a 5-cent drop, and I don't even know. I'd have to look. I made money, but it was dollars, not hundreds of dollars. So, like to see if it continued to fade, but not that interesting to me. Not that much moving pre-market either. Sprint, Walgreen, but I'm not going to trade those. Time Warner, So, we'll see. Nothing that great on this watch list. I'd like to see something, kind of happen this morning. What's MVIS doing? MVIS is known as as kind of a former runner. MVIS is at 2 pre-market. Got an 8K out. They got they just announced earnings. I'll read this, but I guess MVIS would be worth watching. I'll add it. It's up, a little bit. What is it? Up 10%. Just started trading, just announced. So I'll watch that. Other than that, I'm not going to drag this out anymore, but I would recommend getting stocks to trade and following these pre-market filters. That's where I find a lot of these plays. So thanks.